Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the arc length. The first thing we need to find first the derivative of s with respect to t. So this one we have like this. This is about the chain rule of the derivative. So we simplify and we have number 1. This is about 1 over 2. Now we need to find first the derivative of y. And we have like this. Now we can apply the formula. So we put first the derivative of s to the power of 2 and we do first the derivative of y to the power of 2 and we have dt. So a that is about number 0 from here and b that is about number 6. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. So we simplify and we need to expand. So we have 4t and 4t that is about 8t. This one that is about 16. And we know that this is about identities. So for this one we have the formula. So we need to transform this one into this one. So about t plus 4 from 0 to number 6, this is about positive, so we can cancel the absolute value. And now we have the final answer. And then we put the bounds from 0 to number 6. So we have the final answer. So we calculate this one and we have, and that is about 33. This is the end. Thank you for watching.